ko ana papa dem ana wo wakwa tena eti me fi say upon the papa ne beka bia wo de ma papa ne nkensam ne be 10 na on nkensam kura be 5 na ka Anita wan yi ba kokora no ka ba ye ken krofo be bon sama ma girl ibu ade girl idie o ye good up na ka ye de e food die ni nyina akoma wo papa no so ada say by baby edu ye no me so fukum chacha me di mani ehu ye no say papa ne kan na ne ba na kan papa ne kan ana mu say ma me tro wa de bi wa
eba too much G8 everyday so muni abana na ama owusu a eni na Tr0uble training issues me dey ebe so mo ewo everyday no so na it was a for me come say na no ada gospel musician Anita Afriyie bra na we recording live Facebook video no and some because so ewo ho na ni nya ne say ne papa owo na o sabe fa ni figure na ekodu abochiman mu USA man mu no na ase enyum to ne te say ni je emro so na wode eye ne Facebook live no na e disturb papa no enim ti papa ne be mu say nka wo betia ne ba ne say be ya nka wonte enyum no volume no so na say wonya do ye no kra na no na nti ase anya ejuma te say Daniel kasakasa te say nsem de omu hwe bi pa egu fom wo na nu achi na Ghana for so ba bontin be bo ne chi age ye de yehu ya ye be ma ya no so ne ye ka ye Anita Afriyie etie no e wasumpem no ba bontin abe pacho na ne cho pa no so no ebuza for osaka nsem fofo e wo mu na eno nso ehu ya pa metwa mo aba na me de asomo.
You are holy. Thank you.
It's too much.
You gave that to me. So if I'm awake, you gave it to me, Daddy. Thank you.
It's too much.
I don't care.
I don't want to do this in this house anymore.
Do this.
Go out there and do it.
Check me out.
Go everywhere.
You brought me here.
Pack and go.
When I didn't figure out about what I for Ghana, that day I'll stop. Tell me if you want to me, what do you mean come and
Listen,
don't
get me wrong.
I don't care. I'm ready.
I'm not telling you.
I'm not telling you. You don't like me. You don't love me. Stop pretending.
I don't give a fuck.
You don't love me.
Because you
love me. You don't love me.
You're very
You don't love me.
You're very
You don't love me.
What was I doing?
You're not being fair.
What the
hell?
I don't care.
I don't care. You hate me. So you tell whatever you want to say.
Look.
Because you hate me.
I didn't go back to my boy.
I'm a young one.
Where is that? I jump on this again. I swear to God. I'm telling you guys. She's lying to you. Whatever she's doing is wrong. It's not
my birthday.
Ebusia for another me guest a prophet kum chacha na enenso e be ra e ko twetwe nti me waso netie emu nsempa odifo
me nuaba
me wakwa
me joso
odifo bibia boko
de urade be me anu waye me
eno waye uyi ankasa we sesio
me das
waye kama
me das ma me nchiawo na me nchia wahwefo na me nkase nyame hiro bia na me nchia osofo Elia nso.
Okay.
Na menko US na menchia madam for software or Virginia say kuro ya na ne bo na den anhwa no akoba de foforo din Virginia sofo Bishop Adonten Boaten nyame hiraw nyame akoa nyame nipa wonsan wa bode ye no mensaka ne kama jaman Siliana doso ma from home. Nyami Shroud, Bishop. Nyami Shroud. I don't think what in. Nyame man patente what in. Na minchia Bishop Ransford Ejia Sare. Ewo Minnesota. Nyami Shroud what in Nyami nipa. Ni ewo ye mame no mani so me broso. Bishop Ransford Ejia Sare. Nyame tonkwam kese. Mumi yenu nyina mabu mu din nyina mu US mo san ya prosifo esan ya sofo nyame ye hira mo. God bless you me da say
omani edimpa na odifo Anita Afriyie gospel musician na te say wo tunum abochimemu emra na te say de keka ho na ne papa betia no emu aya wode man papa te say anu yie no odifo hu ne say
me da say meka say on say Bible no what kind Bible Ephesians here? M7 6:1. Ephesians chapter 6, baby. se one wo eba no o se di waja ene wonani na wodi waja no wonani a onkwa ebe wale e wa asase nyame de amon and as I can Proverbs chapter 20 verse 20 ya was it your domin naja anane nano ya na ne kane ya ebedum ewosum kadi mo adientia mini nsam bebre kan won say wa beye apology or apologize and it is by em say we can be so we can be to aso aha kenye sakura ka me pese mekoho because adia ba akwa me won say o papa no wa ebe ye den so wo Ghana ha na papa no wa o papa be ba be fawo so odu ko US and America and Canada and odu ko abuchire that is a papa ni father love e de kire ne ba no na odu ko du ye no e ye den ne ma se ne ma pie e ye Bible ana
enum to live video Facebook live they go send the birthday asunti when it je any ono asakoye nyame ni painti what they bom e de yin na nto sorry no Tr0uble you know kan we kan na te se e ka papa no e wo dem a wo si de no do so do nti ka be anka ne ba no ente so
unse ka meka se ka papa no wan kan ne bone by one say eba eja eni eba enkuta odi a ya na ya wade bi wo no ma me kire wade bi wa
okay
asem bi wo no mo a ne kan ya na nye bone so obeka but wo hu said ye kan no so a etumi de bone ba
na no kre
ebia me ba no na sofukum chache no so wo ya worship o tuntum awura de wo bompae me ba ya pe na de wadwi ni aduma ade se bi unu nyansa ade na we yede de sa fa me ba no but obu befu
no kre
so ade say by automatically sadi etie bi aye twifo ne akanfo sa akoda ani panini asam a wo ye dan ya na akoda wudi bi mokra ya ne ye gibi mu ne furu nsam ye de akoma panini no na wa akoda no wadi for ana wo ye dan ya papa wodu be wi ase ye papa ono do bai sadi e bi a wo kan ne fa ya wan pe sadi wo kan ne fa ya eye bufuo a wan pe bia no wo a wo ye eba no ese utumi be patient mo kan say
no kre no an waka no
thank you ese wo bomo de se wo benya abotere na beto bo ase na bo se me papa eno no na wa bom sum mpa ana wa kan se bi mpa kire me a enya enu kwansa me reply no ansa me hwehwe video ni bia ba me hwehwe video ni bia na me hu se ase papa ne kan na eni ta eya no ase wo kan na ni ta eya no ase wo kan na ga na eya no na te se yesa na be yet se obi a umu ade na be yet so obi a you don't respect your father na yet so obi a o challenge you papa ba o papa nso e na abefa wo de ukọ e na papa dem e na wo wakọ tere eti me fi se wo pon de ka papa ne beka bi a wo de ma ka papa ne nkensam ne be 10 na on nkensam kura be 5 na ka Anita wan yi ba akukura no ka ba ye ken krofo be bon sama ma gal ibu ade gal idie o ye good op na ka ye de e fodie ni nyina akoma wo papa no so ada se by ba bi edu ye no a me sofukum chacha me di mani ehu ye no se papa ne kan na ne ba na kan papa ne kan ana hu se ma me tro wade bi wa Ghana life different from a brochile life because me sofukum chacha makwa brochile bebre makwa America bebre makwa UK bebre
okay
matu kwan bebre Ghana our life different za Ghana ya wa no e bia compound house okura ana wo de obi ko han chebe hall sini room Na obon paya. Kabra bra bra. 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 What the kabra bra 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 sa why now 2 hours all men crofo na. Okay, will say you are antichrist and I obey for. And you pay in the party you. Answer, Nimudia, Bible say, Nimudia me men nintino. Or you la? Oh, Nimudia reference
knowledge.
Thank you. Also, my people
lack knowledge.
So, eti, Udi Nimudia, Oyela, Empire. So it's a compound house. Now when you padu do mono. Matthew chapter 6. Okay, 5 eba. And what baby could I see a bonfire? My yen kasa bebre to sabo son for.
No great.
And one baby I would see no. And so one no be swinging the freedom. And more being on the farm, dear. Be empire bar wobono. Not them moment, no, will be yale. On piebo. Amani be because that is a young piebo papa. SABB on piebo ma will be na SABB. So I pay and why did that yet in one or park or be any or I saw them ye bon paya. Ye need to be bomb boy and some bon paya. So that's it. By a fear office. Come. Tr0uble, ya wade bi owa ye ya na kwanso say ade abe kwaye no me mfentie tie obi freedom am fentie tie obi fa ahudie eti dia me sof kum chacha me kan say Ghana have moving any your life and into say burochire wo be kwa burochire bia na ebia abonten na efie na wo ye dede sa na ubo there be one say here the police amount we be try koti amount so I say 18 na soft kum church America say Anita Afriyie am say o free anoma wo call US me boa of and US
no more
o free anoma call US no Ghana suban no any Ghana dede any said the Ghana bonfire no enu kwanza wade ko
when you Ghana the coin.
Away US.
Okay.
Away brochile aye Ghana.
No coin.
The America what you say?
Matu asipa.
It is a yes na e hadwen.
Also for ye kan say na wo kan nim sesi ano. What TB. Na otete ye no ba bonten abepa acho. Oba acho no oka to dwa say woni papa no wo makasa. Papa no papa so cho nti wo sesi wo ntem. I don't want fan to if we need to my young ship or you will chill. Now, or can the choice
by me ba? Memo about one patcho. Papa no should do baby no one yard.
Papa
answer, yeah. You do baby no say papa you should well you say. Get yeah.
Or you fake.
Or you fake. So that's it.
No credit.
You look as you should say wedding.
Table for
a before ba. When I hear ja. So wakumum. Why your ba? Eba ye wo ba sabio ye twifo ne akanfo ye bu besa wo ba ye bibi gu na so a ye fefa ba ye ntwa enchene wo ye wo ba so fallacy a wo ye wo ba na fon no enye public no ana wo be use word bi ato o say wo ye fake na come na de no na o nyame friend na wo ye fake so that say wo ye ja ya wa asem yo wa de bia me ka se social media no ya na asem be to social media atemu da be dukura no na de no da so e wo na ade no ne atemu da ne be hye ase ba atemu de ma ye de asem bia wo be ka wo de be ba to social media afa wo kun ho afa wo yere ho afa wo papa ho afa wo ba ho afa bibia wo musade no eda ho afebo emfada ebedu baby ebia ebekọ nanim abe 5 years 10 years na obi ne wo ba Anita akonya problem na wo de ne konya problem na wo de asema papa kai
reference
thank you so papa said
we fake I come na do
thank you Sao papa prase we fake e come na do. So I say, now I go find papa asem no. Eti papa no so na sese ko nya abotre. Anti bra ko hye no.
Okay, yeah, share a job panel eso. Send all pan viewers, ne fans, ne ebusuafo mu video no mani anje wo mo kaseti e no ko macho no osade to aso say. Wo mu nso a wo mu ye bi, wo mu nfiefie mu no mu nya kokudro e ba bonten e betwa bon no so no osre nyame honom bonifache e di mo na ebie mu no ono ye nipa so fom
Bonifache no say Dabi osre Bonifache no say meti ase
ase o ka de ayi o manyi se wo ka unim de wo ye wo fie na wo ba be ka me
enti na mi bi sa wo yi so on say ya na ye wo mo bibi a mo frɛ no body language ana kasa ye wo mu ahodo bebre ya wo kasa bi wo wa me no ade ba akọ ne say on say begin na me kan say ya ade a o be pa che wo nko a na o pa che wa ka me sofu kum cha ka me nkabi
ampa wo kan
me kan because ade ti a me kasa say no one is perfect.
No correct.
We are see about no one is perfect. Obi owo we are see bia enfonso wane ho.
No correct.
Obi owo we are see bia ni wane mo a osenkafo etire su nchichemo duo no. Bible say woni patre ni bia ni asase we so a woye papa a wonye bone ana woye bone a wonye papa. A wonye papa. And 1 John chapter 1 verse 8 say ye kase ye nya bone ya ne ye daada ye ho. Na nukuru ni ye mo. By your care upon the Tr0uble, or your coffin or 3 minutes or the betchay, now what you want for the entrance. And the Romans chapter 3 verse 23 say, Yen in a bonnet, now we can be on your mother.
Ashray.
A boy, it is said, when you are the Adam, our Bible. Adia, I mean, your coupon one pad, Damasam. Wouldn't matter what it.
I do what you mean.
When your coupon beside Adam, say Adam. Aden na wudi aduaba ni bi wo se ewrade oba na wo de ne be kran me ho
Tr0uble
thank you na Adam person o chile nyankopon se onyame anfo oba na me ka no ho a ka aduaba no
nka wondi kra
anka wonni
kan ho so
eti bremu abade ya e yawu nyame e na wo de oba na be ka no e na wo de oba na ba na ma case ne bai so ada se wo ye bone ya wa ye bone we ye bone a mo kan say apology and apologize
apology
me da say so we ye bone a me ya na wo bi fuma na wo hu ni mistake na wo hu ni bone a wa ye na wo hu sa de we ma nye ni yi a we ye dan ya me nye interview da because me so kum cha me nipa matumi afom na ma be patch so ada say eti so obi fuma na wo ka say ma be patch wa ese nipa nyina de channel ba se wo fom na wo be pachew na nipa de be chew ni e be die kire dia na wo kasa no enu kwansa wo sanka kasetia so kasetia the Americans so bete mase a
matewase wo
sa okay wo so okay bi to aso
okay bi to aso sa nti enu na akoye kasetia ase de wo kra po wo so ye bi nti
thank you
onu wan ya obe
thank you eti wo bi kura na wo fie no kura ye bi but your way no ne de ma abonti o
anukwe
answer the aba abonti ne ye kan
anukwe
the abin na ye die aduane ya me ye ni age the abin ene ye die eti wo no wo fie no wo ye bi ya wo bi o wa de wone ne papa ye echi ani tade ana de wone ne maame ye echi ani tade ana obi o wa na busuam enseme wo mu no enye bi ne ani tade ba ne de ye meto abonten ne dia meto social media da bia me ka se asebi e baba meto social media no na wa makwan so obi ya nkyira na dwen eti na wi ase no me se woni bi ka sanden na wo ka te chemu a emba nyina kyira wo ka atwi obi ba fashion first fashion second brown reverse yesay thank you obi a kyira wo ka atwi wona wo de ya ba ene ye ka wona ado ka akosha atechim wan fan akosha atechim akobi ya mechiro on driving it asama sofukum cha make am this year say ye nua ba Anita Afriyie me penasem me dono I love you too much I like you too much I like your voice I like your vim I like your worship. I don't know to adishimoja.
On one boss I know.
So,
Only a pack we across at the ship.
adishimoja.
Tr0uble.
Yeah. What is that? Tonamire.
Adishimo deviation guaname.
Ah.
A room in one and the big kawenina.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Nigawasi.
Ah. Men shower there and come.
Oh, boy, said oh, what's that? Gano, why you gifted?
We are very gifted.
Why you very gifted? Anita, are you very, what's your voice here? Your voice like a war honey. I like your voice. I like your worship. I like your view. I like your yamre. Who be a good? Who you be a soft kum chacha? Me pewasem too much. Me pewasem. By the abano, Anita, Miss Chasso. Why? What ye? Emeka Sabium. Why your papa ya bako pe? Mane ya bako pe? And one no. Ghana for the what's some more bar? Sadia you will be able to kebi. The end of the year, my idea, and my it's Anita. Miss Ram Quatintin with Yamishla, and the mouth. Yamema Wadumunin, now what the Moncoso any. Over to me, our Sapome number 0542 51 another 5128. You can WhatsApp me, you can call me free call 0542 51 another 5128 on WhatsApp. You can search me on YouTube, Kum One TV. Kum is KUM. One is single. About the enemy. And you can follow me the same Kum One TV on Facebook. And you can call me anytime if you need any prayers or any direction. You can call this number 054251 another 5128. And bless you from today to December. God continue to protect you, to give you long life and healing and anything you need. And from today going, I prophesy into your life. Your life will never be the same, and your life shall never be the same, and your life will transform somebody. I'm talking as a man of, I'm talking as a prophet, because for the Spirit of God is upon my life, and the Lord has anointed me specially to preach the gospel to the nation, to break any spiritual and physical protocols. Bless you. My name is Bishop Evangelist Kum Chacha. I love you too much. Mesdames say, Yamishra.
Ebusia for any day mini odi for Kum Chacha any etnase e din komo edify Anita Afriyie e wonu nso wo adwentwe bi efa de yaka ho ase no so obetimi e de abetudwa e wo ye comment section na bomodin aso e follow yen e wo ye Instagram page @too_much_gh_. Me din edena